So I got my last haircut in March 2021 and it is December now. So it's been 9 months. And in short, I can say that my hair is completely messed up and it is right now in one of its baddest states. So it is going to be a really short video where I like to talk about how bad I've gotten my hair, the reason behind it, and also some future possibilities. So every single hair strand is completely dried out. The hair fall is at its peak, while the split ends also found their way out. And everything is made worse due to the presence of dandruff. So as you can see, there isn't anything bad that is not going on with my hair. And honestly, the only one to blame for this is me because I know I haven't been taking good care of my hair recently. And then there was the paint work going on in our home that made things worse. Because all of that dust that flows in the air, that contributes a lot to the dryness of hair. And I'm not saying I was oiling my hair properly because I wasn't washing it properly. And I apply oil to the hair every time I wash it. But nonetheless, I am going to get a haircut really soon, so all these dry ends and split ends are gonna go away. And also this time around, I'm not just going to get a trim. I'm thinking of doing something different with my hair. So am I going to mess it up? Probably, but I am willing to take the chances. Because I've had long hair for more than 3 years now, and it's been basically the same throughout the journey. So I may even get it colored this time. But there goes all the hair ends related problems. And as far as the dandruff goes, the first thing I'm gonna do is to increase the oiling in my scalp because it is actually flaking. And I'm also thinking about getting the Man Matters anti-dandruff shampoo. And because I haven't used any anti-dandruff products before, if you guys have any suggestions for me, I've got a really severe dandruff. It is flaking. So if you've got any suggestions for me, please enlighten me in the comment section. And my beard is also getting a little out of control as it has been growing for over a month now, especially the mustache. It is now coming down the lip and that looks really gross. So it is also in a desperate need for care or grooming. But stay subscribed for all the updates, and the channel's Discord server is linked in the description. And with that being said, I'll see you around. Alpha.